What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Caspians, I hope y'all are bullish as I am, man. I hope y'all are happy with the gains that we got from Kaspa, man. It's absolutely amazing to see, and I know Kaspa will continue to crush it and melt faces. I am super spent, but guess what? I'm still making these videos. I'm gonna be stuck into the algorithm trying to get these videos to blow up every day, guys. We're gonna spread the message and awareness of Kaspa everywhere, man. The big influencers right now are accumulating cash. They're not talking about it as yet. So this is when you gotta accumulate cash before the big influencers like BitBoy Crypto, Altcoin Daily, Crypto Wendy, those type of names start to talk about the project. You got to start accumulating before they do, right? Or they could be accumulating right now, waiting until their bags are packed before they start talking about it, right? So yeah, man, we're gonna do our best right now to keep that Kaspa train going crazy like it's always been doing. And if you're a fellow Caspian, man, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views, guys. I know we could do it. Let's continue to crush it. Right now, Kaspa is at $667 million in market cap, up 0.9%. A little bit of a cool off are we having right now. We're having a bit of a cool off after this very nice move for Kas. $19 million in 24-hour trade volume. And even with this cool off, guys, we know Kas is gonna continue to just absolutely send and go bonkers. And $1 is on the way, 14 cents this year, right? I'm telling you guys, don't fade, man. We got from Jaleel, I'm bullish on Kas. Let's see, man, all these people shilling other projects. Kaspa Blaster, Kas will end up like Cardano in the top 10. We saw Cardano climb from 2 cents to $3, and we'll see the same scenario with Kas. And that's a fact, man. I really believe it's gonna do one of those moves, guys. From Vladdy, Kas 100x 2023. I agree, man. Fully agree on that, man. Just saying, somehow ended the week good. Can't wait for what's to come next week. Kas somehow ended the week good. Of course it does, man. It's the unicorn, it's the monster, it's the beast in crypto. It's the strongest crypto in the space right now and going into the future, guys. Number 2, Kaspa. Kaspa is coming for that number 2 and number 3, then number 2 spot in crypto, man. When we take a look at the official Kas Twitter, they recently had an update from Now Payments. The Kas community is excited to share the news. Now Payments accepts Kas as and offers your customers a seamless and innovative experience. Introducing Kas, a game changer in the realm of DeFi with its unique structure and lightning fast transactions. Kas is set to transform the way we think about digital payments. Read more about this groundbreaking collaboration. 67K followers on Twitter. Very great stuff, guys. Very awesome stuff to see. That Kas is just keeps getting these centralized exchanges or payment platforms or these partnerships constantly, right? Without a CEO, without a actual person that is running the project, man. This is just all community led, and that is super bullish for Kas, man. Jim Ski Bum, Kas to 14 cents is not too far away in my opinion. Intuit from this what you may. Intuit, I never heard the phrase intuit. Is it short for intuition? But yeah, guys, that's what I'm saying. 14 cents Kas is on the way next, man. 14 cents Kaspa is on the way next, so make sure y'all got y'all back, man. Don't miss this train, guys. I'm telling you, do not miss this train. It's leaving this, it's already left the station, and you could still catch it on a couple stops along the way, man. Kaspa enthusiast, Kas has reached a new hash rate all-time high, and this is what I'm also talking about with Kaspa, man. Since it's a proof of work project, right? Look at that, it already has more market cap than Conflux, and it's already at more market cap than Bitcoin SV, man. Coin market cap needs to update this, man. Look at this, like it already has more market cap than Conflux, CFX, man. That is insane. That is super insane to think about, guys. Jeez, but with it being a proof of work project, you compare it to a lot of these other proof of work projects, you go through the list. Litecoin, you getting bopped. Bitcoin Cash, bopped. ETC, bopped. Ravencoin, ETHPOW, Cadena, all of them bopped. Digibyte, are there still Digibyte holders out there? Bopped. Kaspa is bopping all of them projects, man. No disrespect to any of them, right? But they're getting bopped, man. When it's a proof of work project, guys, when it's a proof of work project, the more hash rate, the higher the hash rate goes, the more all-time highs the hash rate goes, the better the Kaspa price, or the better the price of the project. You can see with Bitcoin, the higher and higher the hash rate goes, the more the price of Bitcoin, the higher the price goes, the positive price action for Bitcoin. So it's the same thing here with Kaspa. So we're at a new all-time high as far as hash rate for Kaspa. Insane. Kaspa Kev, clear market and rank manipulation, embarrassing for CMC, obviously, man. CoinGecko has the rankings accurate. CoinGecko has it accurate right here with 67, but CMC still has us at 211, which makes no sense. Jonathan Sompolinski equals the founder of Kaspa. Vitalik Buterin equals the founder of Ethereum. What's Vitalik talking about? He's talking about an older protocol called Ghost, made 10 years ago by Jonathan, used in ETH. Kas is the product of 10 years of refinement. And let's pull this video up so you guys could take a look, man. Let's take a look, guys. Let's see, man. Make sure the volume is up on point. Sorry for all the background noise, guys.
So, LMD Ghost fork choice. So the latest message-driven, greedy, heaviest observed sub-tree fork choice rule is an adaptation of Ghost, which was proposed by Jonathan Sompolinski and Aviv Zohar in 2013.
Look at the name right here, Sompolinski et al. 2013. Adaptation of Ghost. Crazy, man. Absolutely insane.
2013 to a proof-of-stake context. So,
absolutely crazy stuff, guys. That is so freaking unbelievable, man. That's moments like those. I wish I did my research on Kas earlier so I could get in super early, like super early, but I didn't even know like this is what was going on, man. You know, Ethereum is like, the technology behind Ethereum is an unrefined Kaspa, which is absolutely insane. Captain Sats, OG Bitcoiners over 7 years ago, saying we should reconsider the implementation of Ghost in BTC. BTC OG Mency Rosenfield telling them that Bitcoin should use Spectre instead. Both protocols are the Kas founders' work. Right? It is time to reconsider the Ghost protocol for more frequent blocks. Aviv Zohar and his team, the inventors of Ghost, will soon publish the white paper for their new protocol, Spectre, which is by far superior. When this happens, we should switch directly to Spectre without doing Ghost in between. So this is an OG Bitcoiner, Manny Rosenfeld, talking about Aviv Zohar, and you guys know Aviv Zohar and Jonathan are the inventors of Ghost, which is, you know, the technology Kaspa uses, which is Ghost DAG technology, right? This is years ago, man. This is years in the making, man. Crazy, man. Crypto Phoenix, Kas, this is one of the heavy brain tweets. If Kas would not have started from zero, it would have started from where we're sitting at with this raw innovation power. Thankfully, they went for the community-driven organic growth way. They really did went with the community-driven organic growth way from nothing. Crypto Mix, Kas gains all-time chart looks so crazy because it truly started from nothing. It started from nothing, and people noticed the technology. People in the community noticed what was going on, and then people started to buy, and look at where it's at now, right? It's in the top 100, you know, when CMC updates it. It's above so many other projects that have been in the space for a long time, and it started literally from nothing. Most coins have pre-sales and launch from a few mil market cap to tens of mils market cap. Kas literally started from zero. This is why you think you're late. You're not. This has tens of billions potential in the bull, and I agree with that fully, man. Bubblegum Lightning, Kas hash is going parabolic. Kas hash rate gone exponential. Let's take a look. You see that, guys? The hash rate for Kaspa has just been increasing. The miners are going to work. They're securing their bag, excuse me, and we're securing our bags, guys. The more the hash rate goes up, the better the price, man. When I check when I wake up and I check cash price, good price. Right? Jeez, this is great. This is so insane to me, man. This is such a gem. Next, Shaby. Kaz, when you leave the blue channel, you will have crossed a new all-time high, and the journey in the green channel will be another beautiful one. So as you guys can see here, we got the green channel for Kaz. Once we get out of this blue channel, which we're super close of doing, we're back into the green channel, which is the bull run uptrend. And then, you know, his target in the likely future is 18 cents for Kaz. Man, that $1, when think about it, when Kaz is at 14 to 18 cents, isn't it super easy for it to get to $1? Think about that, right? And then when it's at $1, isn't it super easy for it to get to $5? You know, guys, don't fade, man. Don't fade. Don't miss out on these opportunities, guys. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. Again, the now payments partnership is huge. The hash rate hitting all-time highs for Cas is huge. You know, Caspians, we're taking over one step at a time, guys, with Cas. And you know, the growth is gonna be continuous. It's gonna smack so many people in the crypto space when they start to realize what is happening with Cas, and then they do their own research. They're gonna be like, what, that's what's going on? I can't believe that a project like this existed and I missed it, right? I'm sure a lot of them already see the project and think, you know, it's too late, or you know, it's a scam, etc., etc. And then when it's at, you know, 50 cents to $1, that's when they start to buy it. And that's when they become Kaspa maxis, right? But we're the ones that was buying below 3 cents, right? So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in once again. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, Caspians. Spread the message of this video, spread the awareness. I want to see it go. Every time people open YouTube, the first thing they see is my Kaspa videos right there on the front page, or Kaspa videos in general right there on the front page, right? Again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Link to the Patreon is in the description if you want to support the channel further. First link in the description to help, you know, keep the lights on. And you also get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Appreciate you guys so much. Like, I can't, you know, thank y'all enough for all the support, and I'll catch you in the next one.